Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's special tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Google Voice Assistant or enable Google Voice Control with Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get into it. So you're looking for the assistant, you cannot find it, and you have been searching for settings, you've been looking in the settings, and you cannot find that voice assistant. I'm going to show you under the profile. Go down to manage accounts, and you're going to click on DaveTech. This is my account. You click on your account in your own case, and you're going to go down to the option that says voice assistant. So navigate down, and you see global assistant, you click it. So this is the page you want to be on. Scroll down, get to voice assistant. And I advise that you do this on the account that is logged in. Always verify and make sure that the account you're working with is logged in on the home screen. If your internet connection is good, this should be with no hassle, but it could for delay this step if you have poor internet connection. So this is the account of choice. I'm going to click to the right, come down to voice assistant, and this time it loads up perfectly. So the option you find here is voice control. So you can find what you want and get info and control your device using your voice. Click that, click on it to turn it on or off. I just clicked it to turn it on, and now you find that that feature is enabled. So you can also personalize it to personal results. It'd be nice to click this to turn on, but you need to verify your identity by entering your Google password. If you do that and you have that successfully done, your results will be personalized. And you could also set up the safe search filter. This setting will affect all accounts on the device, so be mindful of that while you do it. So basically that's it. If you follow those steps diligently, you will have enabled Google Assistant voice control on Google TV. If you find that yourself, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.